Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to IAS. I'm your tech mate, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of industrial automation. But, as with any technological marvel, there are challenges that automation engineers face in their quest for efficiency and innovation. 1. Cybersecurity concerns. Our first challenge is a critical one: cybersecurity concerns in the realm of industrial automation. As our systems become more interconnected, the risk of cyber threats grows. Let's explore how engineers are safeguarding our automated world from digital adversaries. 2. Integration of legacy systems. Now, imagine trying to connect the old with the new. Integration of legacy systems poses a unique challenge. Join me as we delve into the complexities of marrying outdated technologies with the demands of the modern industrial landscape. 3. Skills gap. The rapid evolution of technology demands skilled professionals. However, there's a gap. In our third segment, we'll discuss the skills needed and how the industry is coping with the challenge of staying ahead in a fast-paced tech environment. 4. Interoperability issues. Ensuring seamless communication among various devices is easier said than done. In this section, we'll explore the interoperability challenges faced by automation engineers and the solutions they're employing to create cohesive systems. 5. Cost constraints. The implementation of cutting-edge technology often comes with a hefty price tag. Join me as we explore how automation engineers navigate the delicate balance between adopting advanced solutions and working within budget constraints. 6. Downtime and maintenance. Maintaining systems without causing disruptions is an art. In this segment, we'll unravel the complexities of minimizing downtime during upgrades and maintenance activities to ensure continuous operations. 7. Complexity of systems. As automation systems become more sophisticated, managing their complexity is a challenge. Let's explore the intricacies of handling interconnected devices and ensuring their cohesive operation. 8. Regulatory compliance. Regulations and standards are the backbone of certain industries. In this section, we'll discuss how automation engineers navigate the regulatory landscape to ensure compliance in sectors with stringent requirements. 9. Data management and analytics. The amount of data generated by automation systems is staggering. Join me in understanding how engineers effectively manage and analyze this data to derive valuable insights. 10. Global supply chain disruptions. Recent events have highlighted the fragility of global supply chains. In this segment, we'll explore the challenges that automation engineers face due to disruptions in the supply chain for critical components and equipment. That concludes our deep dive into the challenges faced by automation engineers. If you found this exploration intriguing, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and of course, subscribe to IAS for more in-depth tech discussions. Until next time, this is your TechMate signing off. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of automation.